Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Dadasaheb Phalke International Film School, MIT Pune. So I'm here to tell some amazing facts that why you should join and build up your career in this amazing university. So firstly, more than 40 years of legacy it has followed in academics, in competitions and in everything. Secondly, when I talk about campus life, it has the campus at the heart of the Pune city. So not only students enjoy the campus life, but also build their personality and communication with different persons. And when I'm talking about media and film industry, so it offers you various courses in films, cinematography, sound design, acting. And do you know this amazing fact? It has collaboration with Adi Shakti. Yes, you heard it right. I talked about collaboration with Adi Shakti. So not only are students go for actual training, but they actually experience the on-set learning from the first semester only. So I mean, everything is so good. The surroundings, the environment, the faculty, the students. It is one of the reputed colleges we have ever known and we have ever seen. And did I talk about MIT has a basic feature of teaching values of peace to our students, which is actually a plus point to build again your personality the best you can. It improves your communication skills, your overall personality, how to interact with people, how to be a good filmmaker, how to be a good actor. So yes, what are you waiting for? Enroll in MIT right now and build your career with us, with the best faculty, with the best campus. Till then, see you. Bye-bye. Take care.